Hello and Namaste. I am Jivan Bista from Nepal. Welcome to you in my Bansuri class. Today is lesson 13 lesson. And this in 13 lesson I will gonna teach to you all the note, all the note in flute, from down to till upper, from low octave to high octave. Like I teach in last time lesson number 5. Okay, lesson number 5. So same lesson number 5, but in this lesson I will gonna play from down, from low octave, from down paw to high paw. This paw, paw, paw. In flute we can make the 3 sounds of paw, like a one paw, second paw, third paw. Okay, same note, same flute, same position, we can make 3 sounds. You have to blow very soft. It's come lower octave paw. You give little bit press from tongue to like this. It's come second paw, it's a middle paw, and you press very sharply, then it's come upper paw. So I will gonna teach to you now this from down paw to upper paw. But first of all you write this note, and then I will gonna play this, and then you can practice this. Difficult to show you, huh? If I bring little bit close, the word may be dumb, and little bit put far, maybe it's quite difficult to understand to you. But anyway, I am trying my best. Okay, maybe now you got it. So now I will gonna play same like lesson number 5, but from down. Lesson number 5 I teach you like this, but now in this lesson from down, from paw, lower octave paw, from here. Just I come in sa before padani, dhani sa, ni sa re, and sa re ga. Okay. Okay, till sa you already got it in lesson number 5, and this is in this lesson now from here. Sarega, a little bit high. You have to blow a little bit high, oh, a little bit strongly. Otherwise, it's not come sound like this. If you blow a little bit mild, it's come. But we don't need this sound. We need sharp one. We need it. This sound. Sarega and regama, and gamapa. Like this. You got it? Okay, I will show again to you. This is soft. This is soft. You have to blow soft in down, lower octave. In high octave paw playing time, you can do like this. Little bit easy for this paw. Okay. Okay, I will gonna say again one time. Okay, this is ascending. Now descending from upper part to lower part. First pa ma ga, but high octave. High octave, huh? Okay, maybe you got it. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial and stay tuned for the next video. I will come. Until that, have a namaste. Bye. Goodbye.